Okay, so today he's holding it because I don't really care. So today we got the cheese pizza. The pepperoni pizza audio, it didn't really work well, so I wanna make it cheese this time, and we're all okay here. All right. So the cheese pizza, as you can see, the cheese looks like cheese. Okay, it's not like cardboard or anything, but once we go ahead and start peeling, it looks like bread. It even tastes like bread too. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. The sauce is pretty consistent, and everything else tastes pretty genuine. My favorite pizza here is the cheese pizza, because you don't have minefields of hard pepperoni layering on top of your tongue. It's just better in every single way. Just make sure you chew it. But honestly, in my opinion, the best way to eat pizza is with a fork. So you just go ahead and dig in.
Yeah, fine, but don't make an opinion with your white stuff on your pizza.
Boom. Honestly, so good. And I know some people like ranch on their pizza. I don't. Anyways, pizza. The pizza was okay.
These nuts are really good.
Now back to the milk. The milk here today, it's kind of like milk. It tastes like usual.
Sorry, just hit the back of my throat.
Still pretty nostalgic.
The white stuff did.
And then the apple. Apple's pretty good, I guess. I like green apples. I haven't tried the the green apples on camera yet, but you know. Oh. Guys, unfortunately today is the day that apples turn mushy. It is no longer an apple. It's applesauce.
All you got from the soft apple basket.
There's soft apple baskets?
That was the first basket. If you win this, I have the first basket. The second basket, I don't want this. I got soft apple.
That concludes our video. Devin's
$700. New Apple product.
Devin's food review. There's an outro.
So you have to record the outro.